How to add a Google account to Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Settings option. Now, scroll down in the menu bar and navigate to Internet Accounts and tap on that. Here, as you can see, I already have a few Google accounts on my device. So to add more devices, tap on the Add Account option and further select the Google option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the Open Browser option and now go ahead and enter the login credentials of the account that you want to add and further tap on Next, and with this, the account will be added. So, this is how you can add a Google account to Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.